This training video will show you how to make an auto-create inventory item to allow for the quick setup of inventory in sales orders, purchase orders, work orders, or quotes. To help format future stock items, structure the description to show the information you desire, and the users will fill in the X's. The fields you fill in on this stock item will be the default fields for when the new inventory item is being created. First, designate the item as auto-create. If there is a standard cost for new items, add in a price. Otherwise, leave it blank for the user to fill in. Over here, you can generate a starting sequence so that the stock numbers are generated automatically. If you leave this blank, the system will generate one for you. Now we'll test this auto-create stock number in a sales order. Enter the auto-create stock number as you would any other. The SKU number is automatically generated. All you need to do is fill in the fields. The inventory items are not active until you save. This is the stock number we just created. As you can see, it is now active.